Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. Today's video is very special because we're going to unbox this cool beast here. This is a 71 Porsche 911 and I'm very excited to unbox this pop culture car so that I can give you a proper review of this and you can decide if you want to get it or not. And thank you so much guys for 500 subscribers, and this is our first goal and there's a lot to go. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do follow us on Instagram. The link is there in the description below. So now without wasting time, let's unbox this beast. This beast deserves to be unboxed. This is the 71 Porsche 911. Look at the car, it is so cool and I'm going to unbox it now. And look at the card art there, the card art is fantastic. So without wasting time, let me unbox this cool beast. So I'll be giving you a full review. And most of you guys had selected for this particular car when I had asked which one do you want. And do not worry, the other cars I'll be doing an unboxing for it very soon. So I think the next one will be obviously the Jeep, and after that I'm going to unbox my favorite, that is the Jet, because it is truly a cool Hot Wheels masterpiece, that I must say. So it is taking a bit to open, but I'm very excited and I'm sure even you guys are excited. So please do like, comment and subscribe, and do let me know in comments what do you think about this car especially, and have you unboxed it or do you prefer to keep it carded? So I have unboxed it. So let me open this car here. Finally I have this beautiful casting in my hands and it is super cool. So now let me show you the base first. So talking about the base here, so you have the 71 Porsche 911 written there, and this is 2017 metal, and then you have the Hot Wheels logo, and this is obviously made in Indonesia. Like I have told you in previous video, this comes with a metal base, metal body and rubber tires. Look how cool it is. So overall this is a very nice casting, but I would love it if it was a little bit heavier, but that is not a problem. So you have the wiper detailing there, that is very cool, and they have kept this casting plain, which I like it. So this has the side view mirrors there, and then talking about the rear end here, this comes with the plastic inserts tail lamp. So even that is very cool there, and then you even have the Porsche written there in tiny letters. It makes it so cool. And this is one of the best selling car in this set, apart from the Jeep and the Jet, and TMNT is a repeat, that is the party wagon. Now focusing on the front here, you have the painted headlights, and then you have the logo placed there in a very beautiful way. Even that logo placed there, it makes the car look so cute there. And talking about the wheels are also very great and it matches the combination well. And overall the paint job is great, I must say, and it's good they kept it this way. And now let's do the rolling test. So let's see how well it rolls. So I'm going to do the rolling test now. So it rolls pretty good considering that it is Hot Wheels Premium and it comes with rubber tires. It actually rolls pretty well. This is one of the first premium cars that I'm seeing that it rolls so well, especially with the rubber tires and everything. So this was the Porsche unboxing and I love this casting. So what do you guys think about this particular casting? So do let me know in comments, and do you think it is worth the money for it? And guys, Hot Wheels J-Case has landed in India. That is another cool part. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do follow us on Instagram. See you guys in my next video.